Good morning everybody, welcome to Veloce Vlogs, here with a special video for you guys. I'll be hopping on the 4C in just a moment to drive to a local BMW dealership. Today they have the new 8 Series and X5 on display, so I'll be checking that out. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll get some nice shots today. And hopefully we'll get some detailed knowledge about those two cars. So let's go! So I just got back from De Beier in Heerenveen, which was the BMW dealership who had both the new cars on display. Many thanks to them. Go check out their website to check their offerings and also their second-hand cars, which they also offer. Because if it was a public event, I was not able to do something like an in-depth review or something like that nature. So maybe that will change in the future. So yeah, for now, thanks a lot for watching. I hope to see you next time and stay tuned for more car related videos. Thanks, bye bye.